Mint Mobile eSIM not working. Hello viewers, today you are going to learn how to fix Mint Mobile eSIM not working. So let's get started. First, check for service outage. For this, visit Mint Mobile's website or contact support to confirm if their network status is stable or not. You can do it by restarting your phone. For this, refreshes connectivity and often fixes minor network issues. Third option is reset network settings. For this, go to your mobile settings and here tap on general. You will see an option reset, click on it, and you will find the option reset network setting. Click on it. Note that this removes safe Wi-Fi passwords. Then reinstall your eSIM, remove the current eSIM and reinstall using the Mint Mobile activation QR code or details. You have another option, ensure your phone is carrier unlocked and supports Mint's network bands. And that's all. That's how you will be able to fix Mint Mobile eSIM issue not working.